Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. Explain the quasi-equilibrium process. Why is it significant in engineering? So quasi-equilibrium process is when it's nearly equilibrium at all times. So basically it's a min-max type of system. So minimum work input for maximum output. So the explaining a little bit deeper, it really is just that. So we just want the system to be at equilibrium for easy calculations, and there's a lot of processes that can be considered quasi-equilibrium, and as mentioned before, just a min-max. So you want the process to be quasi-equilibrium compared to the non-quasi-equilibrium, which is maximizing the work output and minimizing the input for a device. So that's the opposite. We want to have the minimum work input for the maximum output. So we want to conserve energy or do things as efficient as possible. So this saves us time and money. That's really what it comes down to. Also saves energy as well. Okay. Before we leave, I highly recommend or suggest that you save this video onto your PC, just in case the channel gets taken down or this video gets taken down due to copyright. However, I do follow all the copyright rules as best as possible. Alright, so snipping tool, I'm sure you're all familiar. If not, then you can get this via the Windows search. It may actually be on your taskbar. And if you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent. So next, click on the video button, then click on new. Left click, drag the rectangle, cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Then hit the start button, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button, wait for the video to finish, hit the red square to stop recording, then save your video, control save. Alright, so like and subscribe if you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time. Oh, yeah, share with your friends because this is a made up question so they won't be able to find it. Alright, until next time, see ya.